So guys, as I reached Chennai Egmore, now I am taking metro to Meenambakam. There அங்கே தான் வந்து ஹோட்டல் புக் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஸோ ஐம் செக்கிங் இன் லைக் தேர் வில் பி 2 hours ஸ்னாப் இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் ஃப்ளைட் முன்னாடி. ஸோ ஆஃப்டர் தட் ஐ கெட் பாத் அண்ட் மார்னிங் 6 o'clock ஃப்ளைட். தட்ஸ் இட். Okay guys, finally set to bed. It's not a proper bed. ஒரு ஃபுல் ஸ்லீப்னு சொல்ல முடியாது, லிட்டில் நேப் பிஃபோர் ஃப்ளைட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். ஓகே, ஒரு 2.5 hours தான் இருக்குதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் ஸ்லீப் டைம். ஓகே, பார்க்கலாம். பை, குட் நைட். Hello guys, I am over here. I am in domestic terminal Chennai airport. Now I hope I am on time. It's just 5:05. The flight is around 6 o'clock. I hope the flight time will be around 2 hours. And meet you at Mumbai airport. Bye bye. Hello guys, just now I boarded on the aircraft. This flight is from Chennai towards Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport. The cruising height will be, I hope it will be around 30,000 feet, just the captain said. Hello guys, just now I landed at Mumbai airport, Chhatrapati Shivaji airport. As I said, from Chennai to Mumbai. I am in Terminal 2 right now. I had landed at Terminal 1 and I'm having the transit flight, so I have moved to Terminal 2. The last destination for me is Srinagar Airport, Kashmir, which is the last destination for me today. This is one of the largest airport in India. Yeah, one of the largest airport. I like the Mumbai airport. I hope I am on time. Uh, the waiting time will be around 4 hours. I hope so. Uh, and then yeah, this airport consists of more Middle Eastern flights like Qatar Airways, Emirates, Etihad, like that. So guys, there you can see the fleets of Jet Airways. I hope it has been grounded and cancelled all its operations around 2019. I hope so. April 17th. Yeah, I had landed at Terminal 1, which is international, and I'm having the transit flight, so I had moved to Terminal 2 at Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai. Yeah, here comes the fleet, Boeing 747, the queen of the skies. I hope it is the British Airways. By follow, here comes the Boeing 787. I hope Mumbai Airport is a good place for plane spotters.